Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of the sauce that you used for seasoning and for preparing spaghetti, all types of pasta, lasagna, using minced meat and garlic and onions and tomato. Fantastic sauce. Of course, in English or American, you normally say it Bolognese. Bolognese, like spaghetti bolognese. But the typical Italian pronunciation is quite different. In fact, in Italian they say Bolognese. Bolognese, like spaghetti bolognese. Or lasagne bolognese. Not bolognese, but bolognese. Bolognese. Here are many more terms from Italian cooking terms and produce that you may want to watch next. Arrivederci.